Hi there Internet, so today I'm going to be filming two unboxings. I'm going to be doing my Ipsy and my Boxycharm simply because they both came on the same day and I thought maybe you guys would want to see that. So I'm going to be starting with my Ipsy. I have seen what's in these because they send out those spoiler alerts, or what's in the Ipsy, and I can't help but look. So, but I thought I'd just show you anyways. And for the Boxycharm, I think I saw a spoiler. It was just, I was scrolling through Instagram and it came up, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I know sometimes you get different items than another person does, so we'll see what's in there. So we're gonna start with Ipsy, and on the outside of the pack, I have this Meteor Shower Black from Black. It is a body scrub. Oh, and apparently it has actual meteorite dust from outer space. So that's pretty cool. I like space stuff. It also has sea salt flakes, kaolin clay, mica, charcoal, soybean oil, sugar, olive oil, glycine, and fragrance. So that's pretty cool. I do like to exfoliate, so it'll be nice to try this. I've only tried one other item from Black, and it was their black mask, and it hurt so bad taking it off that I had to throw it away. So hopefully this will be better. I'm sure it probably will be, but we'll see. Okay, and then we have the actual bag, which is actually pretty cute this month, but I don't know if I'll be keeping it just because I have so many bags. It's kind of a soft, cottony kind of texture in a nice light muted pink with this pretty lace over it. And then the tag is just a little Ipsy circle. So first item we have is a brush. Always like brushes, but not super big fan of double-sided brushes just because I find it hard to store them with the rest of my brushes, so I end up not using them. This looks pretty good. It's a double eye brush, so this is more of a fluffy, slightly concentrated blending brush, and this is more of like a packing brush for shadow. And these are from Luxie. It says Luxie 249. I like the look of it with the kind of rose goldy outer part and the nice pink handle. So we'll see how these work. I have one or two other Luxie brushes and they work pretty well, so definitely not a bad thing to get. Alright, and then I have Estate Dew Me Baked Highlighting Powder, and it's dew as in like dew on the grass. Alright, let's see what this looks like. I'm always a fan of a highlighter. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is what it looks like. I love this packaging, it's very pretty. It looks like kind of a purpley, lavenderish highlighter, so let's see. It's kind of loose in the packaging. I'm not kind of worried it might fall out, but let's see how this looks. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Ooh, look at that shine. Yeah, so definitely like a frosty, pinky, or light purple, which I'm not afraid of any highlight color, so I'll totally use that. So that's pretty good. Just gonna try and clean off my finger. Next I have this Bubble Tea Macaroon Lip Balm in lemongrass and green tea. I do love me a lip balm, and I do like macarons or macaroons. Technically, if it's not coconut, it's not a macaroon though, so they should make that macaron. Pretty sure that's how it goes, but smells pretty good. I'm not going to try it just because I am wearing a lipstick right now, but I will put this in my upstairs. It's kind of bulky. I probably won't bring this with me places just because it is kind of like, you know, if women's pockets are small enough, I don't think I could fit in this. And then, oh, there's a card in here too. I do really like the card this month. The theme is unzipped, and the back says, being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I like different concepts of beauty and all that. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Alright, so the last thing is from Bang Beauty, and I'm pretty sure this is a blush, but there were 3 options, so I hope I got one that fits a fair skin tone. So this is the actual package, just a nice silver thing, and then the color is Cheeky, is what it's called. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's like kind of a dusty, rosy color. Let's see what that looks like. It's really nice. Looks like it has a bit of a shine to it, but not really too much of one. Yeah, I would definitely wear this. Oh, and it has a mirror in it, so you can see. Or, not a very big mirror. Ah, there's you. All right, cool. So happy with all of these, which is good because I was not super happy with Ipsy last month, and I was kind of thinking about canceling my subscription. But this is a good bag this month, so I am pretty happy with it. All right, moving on. So I know last time I unboxed a Boxycharm, I said that I was going to review those items in this video. I haven't done very well. So out of the 5 items, I'd already tried the Brow Power and I do like it. The Pure Cheek palette with the highlighter, blush, and bronzer. It's been in my everyday makeup drawer since I got it, and I still haven't used it because it's so pigmented and shimmery. So I really need to just use it, and hopefully I'll update you that on the next Boxycharm unboxing. What else did I get? Oh, the Crown Metals eyeshadow palette. Haven't used it. It just didn't really excite me. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I am so pumped about that it was hard to force myself to use it, so I just didn't. The Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, I do really like that. I'm actually wearing it today, which you can kind of see because I'm so very glowy, but I like it more under the more matte ones. I put this underneath my It Cosmetics CC cream, which I do 2 pumps regular and 1 pump illuminator. And I feel like I'm very glowy today, which is, you know, it's neither here nor there. It's not a terrible thing, but it's not really what I was going for. So, and then I don't even remember what the 5th item was. So I don't know if I liked it or not because I don't remember what it was. So must not have been that great. All right, so now we have the Boxycharm. Excited for this. Let's see if there's a little card in here. Yes, there is. Okay, so first there's a card from Cover FX. Ooh, with a 20% off code, FX Charm, if you want to use that. Valid through March 15th, only for US residents. And then the thing this month is Galaxy Glow. And I'm not gonna look at the back until I open this, just so I don't get surprised on what's in here. Let's see here. All right, first we have the Vintage by Jessica Libeskind Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. I like this packaging, it's very cool. Seems like it's just a standard eye pencil. Definitely pretty creamy. Went on very easily. Yeah, this is good. I wear black eyeliner, so I would wear that. It says that this is $21. Wow, that's expensive for an eyeliner. So probably no matter how good it is, I probably won't repurchase it, but that's all right. All right, so the next item is oh, we have a brush set from Crown. Get a lot of things from Crown in Boxycharm, I'm finding. I think I've gotten something from Crown all 3 months that I've gotten it. So this is the Trio brush set. Goes for $29.99. They look kind of like Wet n Wild. Yeah, Wet n Wild, or is it Elf? I think it's Wet n Wild brushes with the white and then the white to pink hairs on them. So it says small brush is for concealer and to highlight under the eyes. Medium brush is for sculpting the cheekbones, and then this is a big powder brush. They feel pretty soft, nothing special, but I like brushes. Yeah, these are totally like the Wet n Wild ones because they have these little finger grips on them too that are just like Wet n Wild. I wonder if they even come from the same company or from the same manufacturer. I'm not sure, but this seems like I can get a brush just like this at the dollar store from Wet n Wild for $1. So yeah, all right, that's fine though. I like brushes, that's good, it's all good. All right, what's next? Ooh, Cover FX. Oh, that's probably why I got that coupon, because this is from Cover FX. So this is the Shimmer Veil Pearlescent Cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. It looks like, and it's for the shade Amethyst. This is cool. This might actually go really well with that highlighter we got from Ipsy. Let's see how this looks. Alright, I'm gonna try and rub this in. Definitely very sheer, but very shiny, right? So if it's not in the right light, you can barely see it, but then in the right light, it's very shiny. So that's cool, because that means whatever it goes over, it won't really cover it up, which is nice. Yeah, we'll see. I don't use these kinds of eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadows a lot, but I'm trying to make myself do it more, so that'll be good to force myself to use it more. And this one is $28. So I think that's pretty much in line with Cover FX pricing. So, all right, we have the Bella Pierre Cosmic Purple. Not sure what that is. Cosmic Glitter. Oh, glitter. I don't have any glitters right now other than one of the Stila glitters, and I'm kind of nervous to open this, but we're gonna do it. Let's see how this goes. Oh dear, it's everywhere already. All right, so it's purple glitter, that's for sure. Just like a really purpley, shiny glitter. I'm gonna put the cap back on this before we have some kind of epic catastrophe. I don't know how much I'm gonna use this. I'm not super into using loose glitter just because of how messy it is, but I guess we'll see. Did my camera move? I think it did. I have a very dubious setup right now. So that Bella Pierre glitter was sold for $15. It can be used for the face and body. It doesn't say eye, but I imagine it can go on the eyes. I'll look it up. I don't know. All right, and then the last thing that I saved for last is this palette. So this is from Naked Cosmetics. I'm guessing it's a highlighter palette, and I'm guessing it's a colorful one. So yes, it says Holographic Highlighter Collection, and it goes for $39.99. Let's see what this looks like. So pretty! Yeah, so we have a pink, purple, bronzy maybe, yellow, blue, and green. So I'm gonna try and swatch these all on the back of my hand, and we'll see how this looks. So first we have the pink and the purple. That's nice. Now we have this, I'm not sure what it is. It might be bronzy, or it might just be holographic in general. Yeah, that looks, I'm not really sure. Seems to have a duochrome sort of flip to it. And then this yellow one, yellow goldy. All right. And then blue. A bit on this side with this one. Oh, that's pretty. I do love me a crazy blue highlight. And I'm gonna try and get this green one on the other side of this finger. And we'll put that right up here. Okay, so that's how that looks. Obviously very reflective. I really like that green one. And the one that I'm not sure what it is, this one right here. I don't think there's any shade names on here either. The yellow one just seems like a standard yellow highlight. Same with the pink and the purple, but I love highlights and I love weird highlights, so definitely excited about that, and I will definitely be using it. Although I did just recently invest in the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm not sure which one it is, but it's one with all the colors like this, where it's 6 colors and there's a green and there's a purple and there's a blue and there's a silver and a gray and stuff like that. And I got one of the lime crime ones with like green and blue in it. So now I have a ton of crazy color highlighters. So is that a bad thing? I don't think so, but Is that a good thing for my wallet? Probably. What are you gonna do, right? I didn't ask for this. It's just in my life now. So, all right. So pretty good haul on both of these. Got some good highlighty stuff, a nice blush, a questionable glitter, some probably could be cheaper brushes, and a nice body scrub. So pretty excited with that, and yeah, I'll try and use all of these Boxycharm ones for the next one, and the ones that I didn't use last time. I really legitimately cannot remember what the other Boxycharm item was last time. So I'm sorry. Well, let me look it up real quick, okay? All right, so I figured it out. It was the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint, which I actually do quite like. It's just so like other things in my collection that I think it just kind of melded into the rest of it, didn't really stand out. But I do like the texture and the finish on it. It does dry matte and it doesn't really transfer at all, but it's comfortable, so definitely a solid thumbs up on that one. Yeah, so I'll try and use the face palette and the eyeshadow palette, although chances are I'm gonna eventually give that one away because it's just not exciting. It's just not. So yeah, if you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe. I do post videos pretty regularly, and I'd love to hear what you got in your Boxycharm. If you got something different, I like to see all the different options that were out there. Yeah, hope you're having a good day wherever you are, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.